गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग ब्रो। अटेंडेंस बनाओ अटेंडेंस। मार्क योर अटेंडेंस। Mark your attendance. Mark your attendance. Mark your attendance, everybody. Mark your attendance. Mark your attendance. Are you getting the visuals? विजुअल
Yes,
मिल
sir.
रहा है? आवाज आ रही है ठीक से?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everybody has marked their attendance. सब बना लिए? ऐसे?
नो सर।
क्या करते हो? बनाओ बनाओ जल्दी। So today, in the last class, what we have seen? कौन बोलेगा? So we have completed the rectifier. Okay. So today we'll go and see a Zener diode. Okay. अभी तक हम लोग क्या देखे? नॉर्मल डायोड.
क्वारी पूछना था सर.
हाँ,
एक क्वारी है सर.
बोलो बाबू.
सर वो जो डिजाइनिंग का आप बता रहे थे वो मोबाइल से बना पाएंगे?
हाँ, बन जाएगा.
मेरे पास लैपटॉप नहीं है सर, इसीलिए पूछ रहा हूँ.
मोबाइल से भी बन जाएगा, थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा बिकॉज आपको प्लेसमेंट और ये सब करना रहेगा, बट आप बनाओगे तो बन जाएगा. ओके.
ठीक है सर.
Please, everybody, please make the full wave rectifier, that is bridge rectifier. Okay, and post that output and the circuit. Okay, on the Google Classroom. This is for everybody. कोई कुछ बोल रहा था, बोलो.
सर फिर से एक बार रिपीट कीजिए ना, क्या बोले, नेटवर्क चला गया था.
I have told you have to make a bridge rectifier that was discussed in the last class, and the output and the circuit. You have to post it in Google Classroom. Everybody. Okay. ठीक है.
सर
चलो. So today we'll see the Zener diode. Okay. So as you know, breakdown mechanism, right? We have the we'll see the Zener diode. Okay. Today class we'll see the Zener diode. Okay. So one kind of special diode is this. Okay. Zener diode operate in reverse bias. Okay. So before going to directly into Zener diode, we know that there is a two type of breakdown mechanism present in the diode, right? So first one was what? Zener, okay, breakdown, है ना? Zener breakdown, okay. And second was avalanche breakdown. In the reverse bias I am talking, okay. Normally your diode is in reverse bias will experience two type of breakdown. First one was Zener breakdown and second one was avalanche breakdown. Avalanche breakdown. Okay. So we have gone these two terms while going through the simple diode. Okay. So what was Zener diode? And what was Zener breakdown? बोलो बाबू, कौन बोलेगा? कोई नहीं. See, if the reverse bias applied to a PN junction, if we apply reverse bias, okay, this is P, this is N, and this is positive terminal is connected with the negative, and negative terminal connected with the positive. Okay. So if the reverse bias applied to a PN junction, if we increase this voltage, okay, then what will happen? A point will reach when the junction break down, and reverse current rises sharply to a value limited only by the external resistance connected in series. Okay. Now, if you increase this value, then this junction will break. Okay, the depletion layer, after some time, it is going to break, and there will be a rise in the current of reverse bias. Okay, and this reverse bias current is limited by a resistance connected in series. Okay, a resistance connected in series. Now this a specific value, when your junction is breaking, okay, that voltage is called as breakdown voltage and represented as Vz. Okay, now after breakdown, a very small increase in the voltage will give you sharp current rise in the reverse bias current, reverse direction. Okay, like that. After breaking down, okay, suppose this is voltage, we are calling as Vz. At Vz you are seeing there is sharp increase in the current. Okay, okay, now this is the breakdown voltage. Now there are two type of breakdown happening in reverse bias. Okay, two type of breakdown. First one was Zener breakdown and avalanche breakdown. Okay, ठीक है. Now the breakdown points or breakdown voltage is dependent upon what? The depletion width. Okay, okay, अगर डिप्लेशन विड्थ ज्यादा रहेगा तो हमको ज्यादा वोल्टेज, मतलब Vz जो ब्रेकडाउन वोल्टेज है वो थोड़ा हाई रहेगा. अगर डिप्लेशन लेयर कम रहेगा तो Vz आपका थोड़ा लेस रहेगा. ठीक है ना? अरे हाँ कि ना?
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो व्हाट इज जेनर ब्रेकडाउन? कौन बोलेगा? ये हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं बाबू. कौन बोलेगा? व्हाट इज जेनर ब्रेकडाउन? बोलो. नहीं कोई बोल रहे हो. अब बोल ही नहीं रहे. कोई भी नहीं.
हाई डोपिंग के कारण होता है सर, इतना ही याद. हाई डोपिंग के कारण होता है तो सर कम वोल्टेज पे भी ज्यादा करंट फ्लो होता है.
ठीक है, बस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you have to understand the mechanism. Okay, क्या हो रहा था? एक ब्रेकडाउन ऐसा था जो एक कोवलेंट बॉन्ड को ब्रेक करता था. तो ये दो जो आपका फ्री हुआ, ठीक है, इलेक्ट्रॉन, ये क्या होगा? ड्यू टू potential we have applied, this is going to be accelerated and this will hit to the another covalent bond. ये ब्रेक हो जाएगा ये भी, और क्योंकि हम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अप्लाई किए हुए हैं तो ये भी एक्सेलरेट हो जाएगा. ओके, तो अभी क्या है, हमारे पास 4 फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन है, ये जाके हिट करेगा स्ट्रक्चर को, कोवलेंट बॉन्ड और ब्रेक होगा. ऐसे कर करके विद इन अ फ्यू फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड so many free electron will be there to have the conduction. Okay, so if the breakdown is happening like this, then this is avalanche breakdown. Now if your voltage is sufficient to break these covalent bond directly, okay, ये क्योंकि पोटेंशियल इतना स्ट्रांग है कि ये अपने आप ब्रेक हो जाता है। ओके, सो ऐसे अगर फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन हो रहा है तो वो किस में जाएगा, उसको क्या बोलेंगे, जेनर ब्रेकडाउन। ओके, समझ में आ गया, क्लियर? That is when we are applying a reverse voltage. Okay, it causes a very intense electric field to appear across a narrow depletion region. Narrow depletion region is why, because we have doped heavily. Okay, so such an intense electric field is strong enough, okay, to pull some of your valence electron, okay, into the conduction band by breaking their covalent bond. So वो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इतना स्ट्रांग होगा कि इसको ब्रेक कर देगा। ओके, तो अभी हमारे पास फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन अवेलेबल रहेंगे। These electrons then become free, which are available for the conduction. So a large number of such free electron will going to be constitute a large reverse current through a diode. So this breakdown is called as a Zener breakdown or Zener effect. Okay, clear है? If we talk about two type of breakdown, then this is what Zener one, and this is avalanche. Okay, avalanche breakdown. So if you, this is the I, this is also I, and this is the V, VZ. Okay, VZ. So see, there are difference in the breakdown. Okay, so if you talk about the difference between two, what we can write? अब मैं पूछूं कि आप डिफरेंस बताओ जेनर ब्रेकडाउन और, तो 2-3 पॉइंट लिख पाओगे सारे लोग? So this will be the homework for you. You pen down this Zener breakdown and avalanche breakdown. Difference between Zener breakdown and avalanche breakdown. Okay. One point you can take this also graph. Okay. This sharp and it's gradually. It's like gradually. Okay. Okay. So we'll go and now we'll see the Zener diode. Okay. Okay. Zener diode. So what is Zener diode? A diode is Zener diode is a reverse bias heavily doped PN junction diode. Okay. Zener diode is reverse bias heavily doped PN junction diode which operates in the breakdown region. Okay. See, this is a special type of diode which is going to operate in bolo. Which is going to operate in
breakdown voltage.
बोल ही नहीं रहा कोई. It is going to operate in
reverse direction.
Reverse direction or reverse bias. Okay. In breakdown region means we are concerned about this region, breakdown region. Okay. So Zener diode is a reverse bias heavily doped PN junction diode which operates in the breakdown region. So the reverse breakdown of a PN junction may occur due to, Zener effect or avalanche effect, but Zener effect dominate at the reverse voltage less than the 6, near about 6 voltage or 5 voltage. Okay, where your avalanche is going to dominate if we apply more than 6 voltage. Okay, negative direction, in negative direction. Okay, and this is the circuit symbol of the Zener diode. ये क्या है? Circuit symbol of a Zener diode. Okay, ठीक है? Now, in forward bias, if you do forward bias this Zener diode, then this will work simple as a PN junction. Okay, simple as a PN junction. Okay. कोई प्रॉब्लम है यहाँ तक? बोलो.
Yes, sir.
क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
Problem नहीं है sir, clear है.
Okay. Now, if we see, okay, your VI characteristics of the Zener diode actually is like that. Okay, you have to remove this. It's very simple. Okay, so it's like this. हाथ से ठीक से बंद नहीं. Very sad.
Sir, please use any dark color, sir.
Okay. This is not visual. Actually, what is happening sometime now? When I am choosing and writing, it's fail. Actually, nothing will appearing on the screen. Okay. Now it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So this is knee voltage or cut-in voltage. Cut-in voltage. This is forward voltage. Forward voltage, and this is reverse voltage. Okay. 0, and this is the VZ. Okay. If you talk about current, so this is going to be current, and this is also going to be current. So this is basically the Zener diode. We are talking about Zener diode, then we are representing current in IZ form. Okay, so this is going to be IZ. Okay, and this is VZ. This is also IZ. So this is the VI characteristics. Okay, VI characteristics of Zener diode. Okay. So obviously we can bias this into forward bias and reverse bias also. Okay. So in forward bias is going to work like a normal diode, okay, but in reverse bias is become a special type of diode that will operate after the breakdown will happen in the circuit, okay. And this sharp increase in current can be controlled with the resistance. If we include resistance in series with this diode, then we can control this current, okay. ये जलेगा नहीं, उसको कंट्रोल करके रखते. So basically the application of Zener diode will come in this region, okay. So there are so many applications, okay. So Zener diode is going to be used in voltage regulator. First one is voltage regulator, okay. Second one is going to be used in the clipper circuit, okay, or wave shaping circuit, ठीक है. And third one is going to be so many, there are so many applications, okay. So Zener diode can be used for the meter protection, okay, for the meter protection, okay. Accidental application जहाँ पे रहता है, excessive voltage आ जाता है अचानक से, वहां पे मीटर को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए भी इसको यूज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. Okay, so now this Zener diode can be configured as, okay, can be configured as a resistance and a voltage source, that was the VZ, okay, and this resistance is supposed represented an RZ, okay. So actual, because see, if there is a diode, so इसका कुछ एक resistance रहेगा, है ना, और इतना वोल्टेज हमको चाहिए उसको ब्रेक डाउन करने के लिए, मतलब उस पे करंट फ्लो करवाने के लिए, okay, in the reverse bias, okay. So this diode can be configured or can be represented as equivalent of a resistance with having some potential in series, okay. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now on state, okay. Now if the reverse bias voltage across a diode is equal to more than the breakdown voltage, then the current will flow. Hence this region is almost like a vertical, okay, and the voltage across the Zener diode is constant, VZ, even if the current is very much increased, okay. So this is called as a on state. If you see this, okay, VZ, so we are talking about this region. This is called as a on state, okay. This VZ is constant even if current is increased sharply, okay. Hence means it's almost vertical. See, this line is almost vertical, okay. Now when the off state, if the reverse voltage across the diode is less than VZ, okay, जो भी हम रिवर्स बायस अप्लाई कर रहे हैं वो लेस देन अगर VZ है तो वो इस रीजन में ऑपरेट करेगा, तो उसको हम बोलेंगे ऑफ स्टेट, ओके. क्या बोलेंगे? ऑफ स्टेट.
क्या बोल रहे हैं सर, क्या टर्म है?
ऑन स्टेट एंड ऑफ स्टेट, मतलब ऑन ऑफ डायोड और ऑफ द डायोड। मींस अगर ये डायोड कब ऑन होगा, कहने का मतलब ये ऑन स्टेट and off state. Okay, when this is will be in the on state, when you are applying a reverse voltage across it greater than the Vz or equals to the Vz, then this will come in this region. Okay, go to the next page. Okay, so when we are going to apply a reverse voltage, okay, less than Vz, then this will operate in this, इतना ही करंट रहेगा। अगर Vz से लेस आप रिवर्स बायस इसको अप्लाई करते हो तो ये डायोड को, तो वो स्टेट को बोलेंगे ऑफ स्टेट। और अगर Vz से ज्यादा आप रिवर्स वोल्टेज अप्लाई कर देते हैं, Vz से ज्यादा आप रिवर्स वोल्टेज अप्लाई कर देते हैं, मतलब ब्रेकडाउन वोल्टेज से नियर अबाउट ब्रेकडाउन वोल्टेज और ब्रेकडाउन वोल्टेज से ज्यादा, then that region is going to be called as on state। जैसे नॉर्मल डायोड में था ना कि 0.7 दे देने से ये ऑन हो जाता था, और उसके नीचे there is very less current, so we are considering as off state। ओके, मतलब ऑफ स्टेट मतलब क्या, ओपन सर्किट। ऑन स्टेट मतलब क्या, क्लोज सर्किट। ऑफ स्टेट रहेगा मींस देयर विल बी नो फ्लो ऑफ करंट, although there is a current, but we are not including that, we are neglecting that। okay, clear है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll see specific application of Zener diode is what, a voltage regulator। ये बहुत ज्यादा यूज होता है वोल्टेज रेगुलेटर, ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा। तो अभी क्या करेंगे, जो वोल्टेज रेगुलेशन का क्या मीनिंग, ओके, पहले तो ये समझना होगा वोल्टेज रेगुलेशन, ये टर्म है। ओके, सो व्हेन देयर इज अ वोल्टेज रेगुलेशन मींस व्हाट, अ मेजर ऑफ सर्किट एबिलिटी। ये सर्किट का एबिलिटी है टू मेंटेन अ कांस्टेंट वोल्टेज। सपोज ये सर्किट है, तो ये सर्किट का एबिलिटी है टू मेंटेन अ कांस्टेंट वोल्टेज। ओके, व्हेन देयर इज अ load or input, when there is a change in load and if change in input। got the point? ये आउटपुट वोल्टेज को कांस्टेंट रखेगा इवन when there is a change in the load or when there is a change in the input voltage, वो आउटपुट वोल्टेज को मेंटेन करके रखे। जैसे कि सबसे बढ़िया एग्जांपल है मोबाइल का चार्जर। ओके, आप इनपुट वोल्टेज को एक सर्टेन रेंज तक वेरी करोगे, फिर भी आउटपुट में वो 5 वोल्ट ही देगा जिस वोल्टेज पे वो डिजाइन है। अगर 3.3 पे डिजाइन है तो वो 3.3 देगा, 5 पे डिजाइन है तो 5 देगा, 7 वोल्ट पे डिजाइन है तो 7 वोल्ट। इन स्पाइट ऑफ कि लोड कितना चेंज हो रहा है। मतलब अगर आप अपना मोबाइल जिसका बैटरी सपोज 6000 mAh है और किसी का बैटरी 3000 mAh है, तो दोनों दो डिफरेंट लोड है। अगर ये दोनों लोड चेंज होगा फिर भी आपका आउटपुट 5 वोल्ट ही आएगा उस चार्जर के सर्किट से। क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll see the operation. Okay. How much time we are having? Go to the next page. So first of all, see the main circuit. Okay. Now the topic is how our Zener diode is going to be used in the voltage regulator. Okay. And this is important for your exam point of view. Sometime numericals and sometime explanation will come how your Zener diode is going to be used as a voltage regulator. Okay. So this is the input voltage and this is the current flowing through this. IZ is current flowing through the Zener diode. If you talk about this branch, so this is load current and this is the load that is happening. Sometime now, likhta nahi. Okay. So this is RL. Okay. And this is the V out. This is the load. Okay. This is the normal voltage regulator blowing. This is the input volt. In this side, we are giving the input voltage. Okay. Okay. So now in figure, if you see, this is actually the voltage regulator circuitry. A resistance RS is necessary. Okay. In this circuit. Why? Because we have to limit the current. As we know, if you operate in reverse bias direction, okay, there will be a sharp increase in current. So it may damage the diode. Okay. But if you include a resistance in the circuit, then there will be a limitation of the current. It will limit the current. Okay. And the voltage source Vs and Rs also selected that diode operate in breakdown region. Okay. So इसका input का और इसका combination ऐसा हम रखते हैं so that कि हमारा diode वो breakdown region में आ जाए, क्योंकि breakdown region के बाद ही मेरे को ऑपरेशन ऑन होगा, ये मतलब ये डायोड ऑन होगा. ओके. तो हम इसका और इसका इनपुट का ऐसा कॉम्बिनेशन सेलेक्ट करेंगे सो दैट कि हम जो भी डायोड यहाँ यूज कर रहे हैं वो ब्रेकडाउन रीजन में आ जाए. ओके. ठीक है. एंड द वोल्टेज इन दिस रीजन load across RS means the voltage on this is also called as VZ, because this across this we have the VZ voltage after breakdown. Okay, if you measure, then we have across this means across chal hi nahi raha. 1 second. Across this